Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix voice chat not working on Roblox. So if your voice chat is not working on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type www.roblox.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see settings option over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to settings. So what you have to do is first of all verify your age. All you have to do is click on this option verify my age. And after that you'll be required to go through the identity verification process. Follow along the process and your age will be verified. After your age has been verified, what you have to do is go to the privacy option. Scroll down. Under the privacy options, you'll be able to see the option for chat preferences. All you have to do is enable the voice with chats. And after that, your voice chat will be fixed. So that is how you fix voice chat on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.